Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unveiling the best exercises to lose weight fast. Get ready to transform your body, boost your confidence, and achieve your weight loss goals. Hi, everyone. I'm Fitness Gal, and I'm thrilled to guide you through some of the most effective exercises for rapid weight loss. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, these exercises are designed to help you burn fat, build muscle, and feel amazing. First up, we have jumping jacks. This classic cardio move is perfect for warming up and getting your heart rate up. It's simple yet incredibly effective at burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. Plus, who doesn't love jumping around like a kid again? Just don't break the ceiling fan. Next, we have squats. Squats are fantastic for targeting your lower body, your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They also engage your core and help build muscle, which increases your metabolism and aids in weight loss. Remember, friends don't let friends skip leg day. And if anyone asks, you're just practicing your superhero landing. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines strength training and cardio. They may be challenging, but they are incredibly effective for burning fat and improving overall fitness. Plus, they can be done anywhere, making them a convenient choice for any workout routine. Think of them as your one-stop shop for fitness gain. Just imagine you're jumping over a giant puddle of chocolate. Mountain climbers are another great exercise for rapid weight loss. They work your entire body, focusing on your core, shoulders, and legs. This move also boosts your heart rate, helping you burn more calories in less time. Just pretend you're climbing Mount Everest without the frostbite or the Yetis. High knees are excellent for burning calories and improving cardiovascular endurance. They engage your core and legs, making them a great addition to any high-intensity interval training HIIT routine. Imagine you're marching to the fridge, but for once, you're burning calories. And hey, maybe you'll find a healthy snack there. Planks are a powerful exercise for building core strength and stability. While they might seem simple, they engage multiple muscle groups and are highly effective for weight loss and overall fitness. Hold that plank and dream of the six-pack you'll have, or the pizza you'll earn. Just don't start scrolling on your phone while you're down there. Lunges are fantastic for working your lower body and core. They help improve balance, coordination, and muscle tone. Adding lunges to your routine can accelerate your weight loss journey and enhance your overall fitness. Just think of it as a fancy way to bend over and tie your shoes, or avoid stepping on Lego pieces. Push-ups are a tried and true exercise for building upper body strength. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Plus, you can do them anywhere. Drop and give me 20, or 10, or 5, whatever works. If you start struggling, just tell people you're inspecting the floor. Bicycle crunches are great for targeting your abs and obliques. They help tone your midsection and improve core strength. Just pedal away those love handles. And if anyone asks, you're training for the Tour de Couch. There you have it, some of the best exercises to lose weight fast. Incorporate these moves into your routine, stay consistent, and remember to listen to your body. The journey to weight loss and better health is not just about the destination, but also about enjoying the process. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's achieve our fitness goals together. Subscribe for more fitness tips and workout routines.